Hello everyone, today we have Javita from St. Xavier's College who was an intern with us for almost 5 months.
Hello ma'am.
The first and one major question is, why did you choose to work for the elderly people?
I wanted to try something new because now in this current generation people they don't value elderly people. So as a lesson I wanted to have a new experience being with them, because at the end of the day when we get old there will be no one besides us if we don't respect elderly people now.
Was your experience as satisfying as you had thought of?
I started it with the marks, like my main intention was to complete my hours and to have great marks, but then after being with them my experience and my intentions got changed. So it is like my second home where I get a peace and a satisfaction to being with them.
Can you describe a moment during your internship that really touched your heart?
There was a one touching moment. There was a member in Aditya Trust from Matunga whose age is around 90 and she was a single lady. So her mother, she stays far away from her. So what she did was she did a texture art creativity of her mom and she showed it to her mother, and that was really a touching moment where she was 108 years.
Intergenerational bonding mean to you now after you've worked with the elderlies?
We should be grateful and thankful for guiding us throughout our life and being supportive to us till now.
That is so nice to hear. What is the one thing that attracts you or motivates you to come to our Holistic Wellbeing Center?
Whenever I feel low, I'm just waiting for my coordinator supervisor ma'am to say at which date should I come so I can be with them and contribute my best time. For me also, Aditya Trust is like for coming 2 hours and joining with them, planning out the activities which they likes them a most. So for me also it's the best part, so which attracts me the most.
Okay. Would you recommend Aditya to anyone, like especially your parents or any friends or family you meet?
Of course, because after coming from service activities, so I usually go to my mom and show it all the pictures, whatever I did today. So for my family, they know each and every day whatever I did. And of course, I will recommend it to my friends also to my relatives who usually knows.
If you have to describe Aditya Trust in one word, what would it be and why?
One word isn't sufficient to describe Aditya Trust. If I have to describe them in one word, it should be inclusive, where they don't discriminate elderly citizens with caste or creed. They treat everyone with love, affection, respect, and treat everyone equally with open arms.
It was our pleasure to have you. Is there anything you are taking away from us?
So taking away is like I had a great opportunity to work like as an intern here. One quote I will be giving is when a heart is connected by direct experience, our mind is challenged to change. I feel this one quote is enough to explain a giveaway quote.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing all your experiences. It was lovely to have you.
Thank you.